In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit a paper to the online writing lab here at Concordia University Irvine. The online writing lab is a service offered by the CUI Writing Studio that provides asynchronous writing consultations to graduate and online students, nursing and dual credit students, and CUI faculty and staff. To submit a piece of writing to the online writing lab, first navigate to the Writing Studio homepage by typing in cui.edu/studentlife/writing studio into the search bar. On the home page, click the Make an Appointment tab on the left-hand side. Then scroll down to the email submission option. Here you will see a bulleted list of step-by-step instructions for how to submit a paper. So you can always come back and refer to these instructions, but I'm going to walk you through these now during this video. So the very first thing you'll need to do is register and log in to our online scheduling system, which is called WC Online. And you can access our online scheduling system by clicking this gold link. If this is your first time submitting a paper to the online writing lab, you will need to start by registering for an account. And you can register for an account by clicking this blue link here at the top of the login page. Once you're finished registering, you'll be taken back to this login page where you can type in your university assigned email address and the password that you just created. Under the Available Schedules menu, make sure that you click OWL Email Submissions and then click Login. Once here, you can scroll past our welcome message to see our online schedule. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll see the days of the week with the current day on top, and horizontally across the page, you'll see times. Now, with the online writing lab, it's important to remember that you won't actually be meeting face-to-face with one of our writing consultants. Rather, you will submit your paper through this online schedule and then receive feedback via email. So these days and times correspond with when each writing consultant picks up papers. So for example, you can see that Jenna, Joanna, Kylie, and Maggie all pick up papers that are submitted on Mondays. You can see here that Jenna, Kylie, and Maggie pick up papers between 1 p.m. and 7 p.m., and Joanna picks up papers between 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. Available appointments appear in white, and appointments that have been taken by other students appear in green. So in order to create an appointment and submit your paper, you'll need to click on a white box. So today is Monday, June 10th. It is around 1 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I'm going to submit my paper to Kylie. And in order to do that, I will click this white appointment box next to Kylie's name around 1 o'clock p.m. And when I click that box, an appointment form will pop up. Now your name will automatically populate under Client at the top of the appointment form. You'll be able to see the appointment date and time here. You can read a little bit about your writing consultant. And then you'll just fill out some information about your course, your instructor, the program of study you're in. You will briefly describe the assignment prompt, and then you will check 3 to 4 aspects of your writing that you would like the writing consultant to focus on. At the very bottom of the page, you will see that you can attach up to 3 files to your appointment. The very first file that you will want to attach is the actual piece of writing that you want reviewed. So when you click Choose File, you'll be able to search your desktop and click on the file to upload it. The second file you'll want to attach, if you have it available, is your assignment prompt and perhaps even an assignment rubric if you have them available to you. These are really helpful for our writing consultants because they allow us to see whether or not your piece of writing is meeting all the requirements of the assignment prompt, but it also just allows us to have a little bit more understanding of the context of the assignment so that we can give you the best feedback possible. When you're finished uploading all of those files, you will click Create Appointment. You will know that your appointment was created successfully because this little green box will pop up at the top. Additionally, if you go back to the schedule, you will see that your appointment is highlighted in yellow. Now, if at any time you need to go back and modify that appointment, you can click back on that yellow box and you will be able to edit the appointment by clicking this. So if you needed to attach a different document or you wanted to add something to the assignment description, you can do that at any time. You can also cancel the appointment at any time. Once you have successfully submitted your paper, your writing consultant will email feedback to you within 2 business days. So for example, if you submitted a paper on Monday at 1 p.m., you can expect feedback sometime before Wednesday at 1 p.m. Keep in mind that our writing consultants do not work on Sundays, so if you submit a paper on Saturday morning, you may not receive feedback until Tuesday morning. It's important to keep our 2 business day turnaround time in mind as you plan out when to submit your assignments.